Welcome everyone, my name's Chuck, and welcome to Realize TV. Today we're gonna be pulling my motor because if you guys remember from the previous episode, I blew my engine. This will be my formal verbal resignation from the drifting lifestyle. So today, we're gonna go and pull it out of my car. So a little history on this motor. This is a 1JZ non-VVTi Toyota motor. It's got a twin turbo, stock ECU, stock everything. And I've had this motor coming on 10 years. And it's done really well for me with little to no maintenance. Just change the oil, put some gas in it, and run it. All of you guys out there missing track days with your friends that have SR20s, you should definitely think about investing in the 1J next.
No, definitely don't. SR for life.
Put that.
SR for life.
Okay, fine. You know what? Spend all your money on an LS, and you'll never have to break down. You'll be making.
Okay, this video's done.
Teddy, I need your help.
How am I gonna film this if I'm helping you?
I don't know. Put that shit on the ledge. I need your help.
I have to get the shot.
You're worthless, Teddy. How am I supposed to get this shit off on my own? I need your help. You know what, Teddy? I want the viewers to listen to this and know how I feel. Basically, because you're just here watching what I do.
Well, I'm just here so everyone can watch what you do.
But sometimes I need help, and you don't help. And it'd be fine if we were cool, but you can leave me voicemails like this.
How dare you not pick up my phone call? What could you possibly be doing that's more important than talking to me? See, I knew we weren't friends. I knew it. You're such an asshole, and you just betrayed me. I just can't believe it.
That's it. That's it. Okay, so since you can't help me, I'm gonna call Jay. Let's see if he wants to help me out.
What's up, big dog?
What are you doing?
At the house chilling.
Can you help?
What about you?
Can you help me out? I'm working on my car. I need some help though.
Oh, okay.
Can you go?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Okay, all right.
Probably take me a minute, but yeah, I'll be there.
Okay, all right. I'll see you later.
Alright, sure.
Okay, bye. Why do you have to film me eating my cake?
Why aren't we working on the car?
Cause you won't help me.
What are you doing, Chuck?
Checking social media and seeing where Jay is. It's taking him so long. Oh, I forgot to shake it. God damn it. No wonder it took you so long.
Yeah, I told you.
Dude, you rode all the way here?
Yeah, man. Only like 30 miles.
That's commitment. I need your help though. Really
What's up? What
bad.
do you need help on?
I need to take the hood off because Teddy won't help me. Oh look, Teddy in the way again. Ah, 14.
Yeah, I film. You sound like a cow.
Hey, can you pull my jack once? That's amazing how quickly things are going with two people. Do something! Oh, this brake in my side steer is very convenient.
Oh, that's why you did that. It was a style choice.
Right. And that's all that matters.
Thing.
Milk tea special. Oh.
Look at my hand.
Mmm, yum.
Oh my god. Like hella missing.
Pulling a John.
Bro, that looks like Tylenol Children's. Teddy, can you have me a pair of cutters?
This one?
No. Cutters!
This one?
Oh, that's why your R32 looks the way it does.
Come on, Chuck, use that super retard strength.
You don't want some Diet Coke?
I think that's Mountain Dew.
No, you're right. But it's Diet Coke. Yeah.
Chuck, how do you find any tools in your toolbox?
Teddy, can you grab me an extension?
Extension?
Yeah. God damn it!
Wait, an extension? Oh, an extension. You don't have any. Ridiculous shift knob.
Oh, you got it. Drink break right in the middle.
That's it.
Alright, let's crank this out. I actually don't think
No,
that-
you gotta drain the oil and then the motor mounts and then you're done.
Well, we don't have to drain those, do we?
He has a point.
We can drain them when we pull it.
It's so much less of a pain in the butt to do it now, though.
You're just doing it for the content.
Break time, man. Oh, that's black.
Jay, are you able to hold the bolt up top? What size is it? Go?
Oh yeah, I see it.
What is going on?
Oh.
Oh, lantern.
Oh, Jay, grab it from the other side.
What an idiot.
I mean, it's all cleared. Oh, yeah, it's out. Alright, pull back on a little bit. Pull back.
Oh, yeah, watch out.
Cut this just as a turf. Cut this a turf.
Go. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Nice and clear.
Oh my god. Sick.
Like that.
The aftermath. Oh my god.
Yeah, you mad.
Ah, stop it. What Teddy's doing.
Dude, shut up. So sick.
What are you up to this lovely Saturday?
Netflix.
Hey, you gonna be at the shop later, or?
Nope.
Okay, so what time are you gonna be there?
Nope, not today.
Is Richard there?
Nope, not today.
Okay, where should I get the keys from?
What happened?
No, nothing. We got the motor out.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you want?
Clutch lift.
I said we got the motor out, Jason.
You didn't separate it from the tranny?
No, I just pulled the tranny out with it.
Oh, you should separate it from the tranny.
Just bring it all over to you. Do you want me to separate it now with it? the trans won't separate from the engine.
You need to remove the clutch fork.
God damn it, I knew it. Yeah, because it's halfway through. Like, it's like maybe like half an inch out.
No, push it back in, and then the clutch fork just if you undo it from the board, just pull it out. It'll come out, and then you can pull the tranny out.
Okay.
See if that works.
I'll give it a shot.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Wow. Oh wow, look at that. So dumb.
Oh my god.
That's just water, Teddy. God damn, man.
Oh my god. I think there's no amount of cat litter that could fix this. Man, look at that. You're always talking about saving money, Chuck. I'll tell you how you can save money. Don't put a whole box of $50 kitty litter on the floor. Just throw it away.
Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap it up here for today. Now we're finally able to pull the engine harness out and take it over to Rival to see if my new motor is actually gonna start. So stay tuned for the next episode to find out if I got scammed or if it's gonna give me another 10 years of joy. And we're also gonna be painting my engine bay now that the motor's out. So go and let us know down below in the comments what color we should go with. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you at Rival Auto.